Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be sharing a concise tutorial on how to change the verification code for your Hikvision DVR. Let's get started. Right-click to access the DVR menu and select Menu. Enter your DVR password to proceed. Once inside the menu, navigate to the Configuration section. Click on Network and select Platform Access. Here, you'll find the location of the verification code. To change it, click on Edit and modify the code to your preference. After making the changes, click Confirm and then Apply. Return to the previous menu and revisit the Platform Access section to ensure the changes are saved. Great! Your verification code has now been updated. This code enhances security when monitoring via mobile devices, preventing unauthorized access to your DVR. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.